Well, I bought the e.l.f. Jennifer Coolidge Dirty Pillows Lip Kit and several other new items by e.l.f. I'm going to demonstrate them for you right now. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I get to cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, when I heard that e.l.f. partnered with Jennifer Coolidge for the Dirty Pillows Lip Kit, I had to order it. So I went ahead and ordered some other stuff by e.l.f. as well, including the new liquid Poreless Putty Primer, a new eyeliner, a eye primer, and a liquid eyeshadow. So today I'm going to try all of these for you, and I'm doing my entire face using e.l.f. products. Now, before I get into my new lip kit or any of the other new things I bought, I'm really excited to try this new primer. This is the Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. The original Poreless Putty Primer is still one of my very favorite primers. This one is a liquid. I'm kind of interested to know the difference because e.l.f. has a lot of other liquid primers that I really like. So curious as to where this sort of fits in. It is that sort of light pink color like the other putty primer, but it is very creamy and liquidy. So I'm going to just rub this in before putting on any of the rest of my makeup. Okay, now off camera, I put in a little bit of e.l.f. Camo CC cream, topped with a touch of e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, and also I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Now onto the things I bought for the eyes. This is the Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer. Now, I previously tried sort of the putty primer version for the eyes. That was the only e.l.f. product I remember really not liking. Unlike the regular putty primer, it was not smooth and creamy. It was stiff and hard to spread, so I really did not use that very often. Let's see if I like this one better. This one definitely spreads on a lot smoother than the other one. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot better than the other eye primer I tried to out. Okay, I also got a new No Budge retractable eyeliner. And the shade I got this in was called Coffee. Craving coffee right now. Okay, let's see how this works. Liking it so far. The coffee is not quite as dark as I expected it to be, but it is, I think, overall a nice product. Yeah, overall I like this. The third eye product I got was the Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. The shade I got in this is called Big Dipper. Of course, like all e.l.f. products, they're cruelty-free and vegan. I've tried a lot of different liquid eyeshadows. Want to see how this one compares with, say, ColourPop or even Jeffree Star. So many different brands have liquid eyeshadows now. Let's see how this one from e.l.f. works. I like this color. Like all of these, you put it on with this applicator, but then you really need to spread it with a brush. Okay, I've got a nice blender brush to help spread this a bit. Yeah, the brush really brings it together. I'm definitely liking the color and the shine on this. Well, I did my mascara off camera as well as using a little bit of the e.l.f. Hydrochromatic Multi-Stick and the e.l.f. Contour Halo Glow Wand. But now on to this e.l.f. Jennifer Coolidge Dirty Pillows Lip Kit. You know, Jennifer Coolidge is an iconic actress. Of course, everybody remembers White Lotus and Legally Blonde. But before then, I remember back in the 90s seeing her on episodes of Friends and Frasier and Sex and the City. And she just always creates such really funny, clever characters, whatever she does. So I was really thrilled when e.l.f. decided to do a collab with her. This is the lip liner. It's called Fill Frontal. All right, so let's check it out. I love the color. Overall, it applies really well. I want to see how it goes with the other products. Oh, by the way, this, I forgot to take this out. This is like a little mirror that comes with this. It's so cute. Yeah. So I'm going to use this little mirror to help put on my lipstick. So this is the lipstick. It's just called Dirty Pillows. Beautiful. I love this color. And it's nice and creamy. Love it. And then, now that lipstick is really shiny enough on its own, but included in this is a gloss, and this is called Swollen. So I'm guessing it may be a plumper. Yes, it's a plumping gloss. So I'm going to top with the plumper. Doing it for the first time, so all right. It's a nice light pink. Yeah, I do feel like it's plumping my lips. Wow, this lip kit, this is going to be among my favorites. And the packaging too. Look at this, is the packaging. It says, I didn't think this would look so good, Jennifer Coolidge. And it's all packaged in this satin. I'm just curious, Dirty Pillows. This is actually a pillowcase. No, I don't think so. No, but it looks like it's just kind of glued here. Okay. Would have been really cool if it had been a satin pillowcase, but I've got plenty of those anyway. But yeah, loving this lip product. Jennifer Coolidge and e.l.f., a collab that really, really works. So yeah, all these new e.l.f. products, definitely get the thumbs up. Really loving this lip kit. Hey, now I want to touch back. It's been about 7 hours since I first put on my makeup this morning, and everything still is remarkably fresh. I really do feel like this new e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Primer really does work. I think it's helped maintain my foundation. Nothing seems to be settling into lines. And also this new Dirty Pillow lip product, this whole Jennifer Coolidge lip kit, has held up remarkably well. Why, it does seem to have been faded. Maybe the liner part has faded slightly. I ate a sandwich. I, was out quite a bit, had some meetings, and it's still holding up fairly well. It still, I think, has maintained its color and shine. Well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.